Okay, we are trying to. We have this list of primes right here, and we're trying to erase the commas on the outside right there, and then erase that last comma right there. At first it seems a little challenging, but I'm just going to play around with a couple if codes, and it should all pull together. So here we have, open up Python. We're just going to define is factor, and it's just a simple definition. If n is a factor of f, it's going to return is factor. And then we have a list of factors, which is going to put all those factors into a list. And then another helper function is prime, and return a list of prime numbers. So it's going to return false if n equals 1, and then return tb if the length is a list of factors, which is equal to 0. And then here's where everything comes in. So this is where the table of primes is, from to number per line. The code we had before with all the commas is a code without this if statement and this elif statement right here. So it's just for n in range from 2 is if is prime n, counter plus equals 1, and then this right here, else print n. And if counter percent, or the percent sign, which just is remainder division, number per line equals 0, then we're going to print it, which just gives us the 8 per line, or our whatever our number per line right here is. So the parts I added are if the counter percent, which is just the remainder division, number per line equals 0, print n, and then end equals, and then the space. So what this does is it, if the number per line right there, the third parameter, is divisible by the counter, then it's gonna put a space at the end instead of a comma. So you'll see how at the end of all those there's a comma right here. That if statement, so it's going to take the number per line and divide it by n, and these numbers will all not have commas. The only other comma we're going to have to worry about is this one right here, and I specifically tailored code for this right here. Is this elif statement, counter elif counter equals 106 colon. This right here is the 106th term in this list. So pretty much this code is tailored to only this code. You can't universally use it because that comma is only gonna be, this is only going to be the 106th statement as the last term in this series once. Maybe a couple more times, but specifically this time for sure. So 106, it's just going to erase that code. So that's what that elif statement is. And then everything else is just going to have this comma right here after it. So let's run table of primes, 10,000, 11,008. Run. Yes. See the no commas and the no comma after there. So like I said, that elif statement will just solve our last comma right there. It is a MacGyver way to fix the code, but the code's fixed no matter what. So anyway, thank you.